And now, your KY3 Storm Team forecast.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. We're keeping a close eye on these thunderstorms as they continue to push their way down into the Ozarks. In fact, right now we have a severe thunderstorm warning. It's in effect right now for Vernon County, and it goes on till 12:30. Right now, that's when it's set to expire, but I wouldn't be surprised if we continued to see severe thunderstorm warnings pop up throughout the day and even as we head into the evening hours. One big thing that we are going to keep a close eye on, though, will of course be these storms as they continue to move their way here across the Ozarks. We're going to be watching them very closely, and let's zoom out a little bit and continue to see what these look like. We're going to continue to watch for these to be pushing their way up across our area, and it really hasn't been until recently that we've even been picking them up for our area. We've been watching them head their way across the state of Kansas, where they've been seeing up to golf ball sized hail associated with this round of thunderstorms. So that's why we do have those severe thunderstorm warnings in effect, and why I think we'll continue to see them. You'll notice, though, the wider we start to zoom out, it's not everyone who's seeing these storms just yet. So we will be watching this line as it moves in, and it continues to gain strength. This is a loop just over the last 4 hours, so you can see it really hasn't been until the last hour or two that we've been seeing much of that even across the area. Now, as far as severe threats go today, you'll notice the entire area we're under either a slight to enhanced risk for severe thunderstorms, and that means that the two primary threats that we're watching for will continue to be severe size hail, which is 1 inch or greater. Already across Vernon County, we've seen reports of hail up to $0.50, so that's 1.25 inches. And as these storms head your way, we would love to see what you're seeing. Of course, if you can safely get those photos, you can send those right to KY3 through the KY3 Storm Team app. One thing that you're also probably noticing is not all of us are dark and gloomy just yet. Many of us still see the sunshine and temperatures up in the 70s. Even here at the KY3 studio, just looking out by our tower camera, hardly even much more than a few wispy clouds. That, of course, though, is going to be changing as we head throughout these next few hours. The temperature jump, for many of us, it's upwards of about 10 degrees, which means across the board, we're sitting in the 70s. Now, it's going to be taking 80s in order to be talking about breaking new records. But typically this time of the year, we're still in the 50s for our highs. Now, the warm air, it is helping to elevate that potential for thunderstorms because more warm air means more lift in our atmosphere to continue to be feeding these storms. And you can notice as we progress throughout the evening hours, it's going to be once you're picking up the kids from school, driving home from that evening commute. So as we head toward 4, 5, 6, even 7 o'clock, we'll be watching those thunderstorms cross their way south of 44. We'll keep a close eye on these storms even as we head toward the overnight hours until 8, 9, probably even 10 o'clock in the evening. That'll be where we start to watch those showers push their way out of the area. Then high pressure takes over, and it's going to be giving way to the chance for some sunshine in there. Now, sunshine still going to be something that we keep an eye on throughout the afternoon, helping those temperatures to keep jumping their way into the mid to upper 70s to even close to 80 degrees. Of course, the warmth, that's going to be something we keep an eye on, and early this evening, so before 10 o'clock especially, will be where we're watching for those thunderstorms and severe storms to continue. You'll notice a nice big dip in temperature, so we'll be feeling much more winter-like as we head toward the weekend. Both Saturday and Monday, those are the days where we could probably be talking about more showers, and this time we'll be talking about snow showers in the Ozarks, so plenty going around the next few days, and there's some seasonal confusion out there today too.
Indeed there is. All right, thanks, Liz. If you tend to skip breakfast, we have